has always been a source of wealth and a medium through which people, goods and ideas have been transported. All activities related to seas, rivers and oceans comprise what we call blue economy. But what do you know about this sector and its occupations? First, we can find the field of recreational boat navigation. This sub-industry includes activities related to water sports such as sailing, scuba diving and surfing, and recreational sailing, as well as vessel maintenance tasks and marina management activities. A second subsector involves fishing and aquaculture and aims to utilize and farm subaquatic species mainly for food, but also for cosmetics and biofuels. These activities are strategically important for regional development and have a deep-rooted tradition along the Catalan coast. Thirdly, due to the growth of global trade, there is an upward trend in maritime transport, a field referring to the movement of goods and passengers. Besides, it also includes the services offered by ports to ships and cruise ships, such as maritime security, stowage services, loading and unloading support, and passenger services, among others. The economic figures of the blue economy show great vitality. According to 2020 data, the Port of Barcelona ranks first in Spain in value of operation of goods transports, with 68.74 billion euros, comprising 75% of maritime trade in Catalonia and 25% of Spanish trade. The port has an annual traffic of 59.9 million tons, receives nearly 200,000 cruise ships passengers a year, hosts about 500 companies, and generates approximately 40,000 direct and indirect jobs. Barcelona has decided to invest in positioning itself as an international destination for super yachts, becoming a benchmark center of repairing and refitting services. In order to offer these services, there is a great demand for maritime carpenters, welders, mechanics and electricians. Another upward trend in this sector is the application of ICT to sailing, port services and food production. New ways of working will be created as a result of telecommunications applied to navigation and the digitalization of agriculture farms and ports. For example, artificial intelligence makes it possible to predict waiting times in ship loading and unloading. This trend will require professional retraining. And don't forget that English is the main working language in the blue economy. The blue economy is facing major challenges in the coming decades. Firstly, CO2 emissions and other waste generated by maritime transport and fishing must be reduced for sustainability reasons. Secondly, port areas need to be better integrated within the urban environment. In this regard, Barcelona is promoting the creation of a blue economy hub, which will make ports more accessible and bring together training, research and entrepreneurship. As you can see, employment in the blue economy sector will remarkably grow in the next few years. There will be opportunities for all levels of professional qualifications. You only need a vocation. Dive into it.